Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add clickable link to your Instagram Reels. So first of all, just open up the Instagram application here and then go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on this plus symbol in the bottom, and here I'm just going to click where it says Reel. So just tap on this Reel here, and then I'm just going to select the Reel that I want to post. So I'm just going to take this one just to demonstrate, and then tap on this next in the bottom right corner. And basically what I have to do here is, so there are a couple of options you can do that. So let's say if I tap on this text icon, and now let's say this is the link right here. Basically the problem with this is it will not be like the clickable link. People can see that you have actually posted this link and they can go like ahead and search for it there themselves, but unfortunately it's not going to be like a clickable link. So for this what you can do is you can remove this one, and now so click on the emoji sample, and then you can actually in the search bar you can search for this link and you will find many options. Let's say I want to choose this one, and now what you need to do is you have to click on this next in the bottom right corner, and you can also of course write the link in the caption, but unfortunately it's not going to be like clickable link. It's just going to be like they will see that you have written a link, but it's not going to be like a clickable link. If you actually post this reel right here where it says link in bio, so I'm just going to go back to this page right here and then click on edit profile, and then we can tap on this where it says add link and tap on this add external link, and now you can just write something like this youtube.com and then click on done in the top right corner, and as you can see the link has been added. And basically that is exactly how to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.